Basically, after the refit, we really took one last trip with the sailboat, and then the opportunity came up to sell it. It wasn't really on the radar, but I figured it was a great time. I was able to sell it for kind of pretty much what I wanted out of it. And it's kind of a bittersweet moment to see it go. We got one last trip with it. Went to Catalina with some friends, and so I'm just gonna show you a quick monologue of that, so that way then you can kind of see the condition or the last trip, and then of course the farewell.
You walk over me. I want you to get what you need. Just say what you need me to be. It's understandable.
The next surprise, we kind of capitalized on a market that was down and found a really awesome boat. 12:30 and these girls in AM are just having no time of their life right now. You would think it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Go see the boat for the first time. We just got to Dana Point, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna be really fun, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Looks like they're doing lots of construction here, and they're building a bunch of new slips. Looks like Gracie woke up and Mom is gonna be coming with us. We're gonna go see the boat for the first time. Gracie just woke up. Sydney's ready to party. We're gonna go over there and find it for the first time. We haven't seen it yet. We bought it sight unseen. We gotta find the boat. Do you remember what slip it said? I wonder if it already has a name. Which boat do you think it is, Sydney?
I don't know.
I can probably guess. 54, all the way down.
I think that's it. It's all down there.
All right, first look at the boat. Here it is. Not that one, right here.
So I think
I heard that there was a little bit of mold on the cushions.
I think it's a little dirty in here, Daddy.
Today I'm just cleaning out the lockers, getting everything wiped down, every surface. And we got this section done, got all the seat covers back on, washed them all. Just kind of sanitizing. Sydney, what are you doing out here?
I'm getting the sea otters away.
Yeah, because they stink, huh? And they got poop all over our boat. They've been napping right here, so we got Sydney on watch out, making sure that's where they got poop on, huh? And all the side of the boat. This poor guy over here, they took a dump right in his boat. It's pretty embarrassing for him, but yeah, so Sydney's on watch out. Anytime she sees him, she claps. Let's see you clap. Let's see, let's do a practice. He's like, no, huh? Yeah, me too, that's what I do. Pretty sweet. Went through here, just wiped everything down, got rid of all the mold. Just making it feel better, cleaned up that hatch. Yeah, getting a lot better. Okay, so we got the engine running. We got some of the main mold cleaned up. Made sure that there's water spitting out, so it's being cooled properly. We got fuel coming to the engine. Just put a priming bulb in. And anyways, yeah, it's coming along. Just need to get it cleaned up a little bit more. Sydney, you like the boat?
Yeah.
Pretty fun, huh? Thanks for watching up to this point. Make these videos mostly kind of as like a memory log for me and the family and the kids. So if you are watching, hopefully you're enjoying it. Next time I'm going to take you along as we sail it from Dana Point up to San Pedro, which is a lot closer to get to Catalina, and a little bit closer drive for us. So join us as we make the trip, and I'll show you the coast of California.